have a bit of a problem. The problem is, I bought parts off Rare Spares. Rare Spares cater to so many really good cars. The problem is they don't specialise in certain things. And unfortunately, these rubber channels I bought are not a specialty of Rare Spares. So my problem was that both of these windows needed new rubber. They looked old, they looked haggard, and I looked everywhere. I couldn't find any. I ended up seeing that Rare Spares offered one on their website. I thought, great, I'm going to buy some. When it arrived, it came flat. The other one's not flat. The other one's molded. Unfortunately, I did not check. But because it came out flat, it doesn't like to fold up and then stay up. So the problem I've got is that it kept popping out. So I restored one, and fortunate case is that it gets all this, which is no good, but it doesn't want to close, and it constantly just wants to fall out. It's no good. And just because you got to open it on the inside, it doesn't really make it useful as a bit of storage. And once you have this loaded to the brim with camping gear or traveling gear or just anything, it's not a useful window. So I took this great bloke out in the Yarra Valley, had some fixed windows for me, which I was able to get for an absolute bargain, and I'm really grateful for that. So thank you very much. I've done one, so I know what I'm going to do is working. So I will show you the process of what I've done, and there's so much to do on this car. So pretty much the process is to cut the mastic out of this window that's gluing it into position, clean it up, rust treat anything that is under there that looks like the paint is gone, and then essentially tuck in the new window. I'm turfing these. I'm just turfing them. So so the problem I had with Rare Spares in the end wasn't that it didn't fit, it was their packaging. Restoration spare parts, accessories for older and modern cars, blah 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 blah. All care has been taken, and wherever possible, this product has been produced as per the genuine item. For reasons of cost per patent, some products are not as per original, but have been designed and tested to perform the same function. If you are dissatisfied with any Rare Spares products, it may be returned within 7 days of purchase. Right down the bottom. The point is, that's not acceptable. That's like selling anything and then going, well, if you don't like it, it's your problem. You better get it back to me within a week. I'm going to get all this shit off as much as possible, and just to make sure there's no like rust under it, and it's not needed, so why not spend the next 5 minutes doing it. How to change your windows for $200, and 75% of that will be your stuff up. I say my stuff up because nobody was recommending Rare Spares. And now there's still nobody recommending Rare Spares. fluoro green? What is fluoro green? It's getting less and less. I feel like I'm making really great deal of progress on the car. Maybe it's recently, I don't know. Slow. I thought it'd be quicker. It's the greaser. I'm not proud of this. See you tomorrow. Really? This makes it easier. Wrap it around the channel, stick it in, pull it out bit by bit. I feel like I have the gift of making this look difficult. Hating on rare spares. I've had other cars before this one and I've ordered stuff for that and it was great. It was a really good quality product. And I get I could have checked in time and I didn't, and I should have returned it, and I missed my boat, and I'm not upset about that. I accept it. I'm not trying to get a refund. I'm copping it sweet for this. My gripe is that it says that they've done all the effort to make this product the exact same as the original product, but it clearly hasn't been. One is felt, one is not. One is molded, one is not. And I don't think it's a fair product to offer. I'm really happy I got these. I had them on my list to do. I think they look nicer anyway, and I think they're better than the Gull Wings. I think the Gull Wings are overrated and overpriced. And I think if you can do one yourself, I think Taylor Touring did one, which looked pretty cool. But anyway, I'll show you this. So I've removed the rain gutter. It's pretty bad. Like, I've treated this, but it's see it there, but that's it'd be 7mm of bog on that corner. I don't think Christmas is happening at this stage. I really thought I'd have the car on the road for Christmas, but anyway, I'll see you in the next one.